Welcome to Food Decoded, where we uncover the truth behind everyday foods. Every day, millions of people cook with oils they believe are healthy, but what if some of these oils become harmful the moment you heat them? Today on Food Decoded, we're breaking down the complex world of cooking oils, which ones are actually safe, which ones you should avoid, and how to choose the best oil for your health. Stick around until the end, because the truth about one very common oil might just shock you. So, why does the cooking oil you choose matter so much? Well, oils are pure fat, which means they directly impact your heart health and overall wellness. But here's the critical part many people miss. Heating oils can change their chemical structure. This is where two key concepts come in: smoke point and oxidation. The smoke point is simply the temperature at which an oil starts to smoke and break down. When an oil breaks down, it oxidizes, creating harmful compounds that can cause inflammation and damage your cells. So, choosing an oil with the right smoke point for your cooking method is crucial for cooking oil safety. Let's dive into the oils that are generally safe and great additions to your kitchen, especially for those of us in the USA and UK. First up, the king of healthy cooking oils, extra virgin olive oil. It's packed with antioxidants and is very stable, making it perfect for everyday low to medium heat cooking, like sautéing vegetables or making a salad dressing. Next, we have avocado oil. This one is a champion for high heat cooking because of its incredibly high smoke point. So, for searing, roasting, or stir-frying, avocado oil is a fantastic choice. Lastly, coconut oil. It's very heat stable, which is great, but it is high in saturated fat. So, while it's a good option, it's best to use it in moderation. These are some of the best oils for cooking when you prioritize both flavor and health. Now, let's talk about the oils you should probably limit or avoid altogether. At the top of this list are common vegetable oils like corn, soybean, and general vegetable oil blends. These are often highly processed and contain a high amount of omega-6 fatty acids. While we need some omega-6, too much can lead to chronic inflammation in the body. This is a key difference in the olive oil versus vegetable oil debate. Even oils like sunflower and canola can be problematic. When heated too high, they can oxidize, and a definite one to avoid is margarine or any hydrogenated oil. These contain man-made trans fats, which are seriously bad for your heart health. Making smart swaps away from these can make a huge difference. Let's bust a few major myths about cooking oils. First, the idea that all plant oils are healthy. This is simply not true. As we've seen, processing and stability matter a lot. The second myth is that smoke point is the only thing that matters. While important, an oil's stability and resistance to oxidation are just as critical. Some oils with high smoke points can still be unhealthy if they're heavily processed. And the third myth: fat makes you fat. This old idea has been debunked. Healthy fats, like those in good quality oils, are essential for your brain, hormones, and absorbing vitamins. It tests the quality of the fat and how you use the oil that truly matters for healthy eating. So, what's the final verdict? Which oil should you actually be using? The truth is, there isn't one single perfect oil for everything. The best approach is to have a couple of quality oils in your kitchen and choose them based on what you re-cooking. Use extra virgin olive oil for your low-heat dishes and dressings, and grab a stable, high smoke point oil like avocado oil for high-heat cooking. The goal is balance, not fear. By understanding how different oils work, you can make informed choices that support your health without sacrificing flavor. This is the core of Food Decoded nutrition. If this video helped you understand cooking oils better, please hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Food Decoded videos. And comment below which oil do you use most in your kitchen. Thanks for watching.